Okay, so now let's do assignment 0, but with IntelliJ rather than Eclipse. So let's go to our folder and let's do it by hand. cd home/documents, and remember, tab is your friend, project CS5000, then cda0. That will take us to here. Now we'll do Gradle W idea to generate the idea project rather than Gradle W Eclipse to generate the Eclipse, and that's /Gradle W normally. Now let's redo this. I deleted my repo and created a new one, so I can do this. Git checkout -BA0. I created a new branch. Again, if you're coming back and you have already done git checkout -BA0, you would only do git checkout A0. You can do git status and git branch to show you what you have. This git status tells me I'm on branch A0, and git branch shows me that I'm on branch A0. I think git bash by default shows you the branch. So what we're gonna do now, instead of doing this with Eclipse, we are gonna do it with IntelliJ. So let's stay here. Open IntelliJ. It's IntelliJ idea. Maybe it opened. Maybe it didn't. Didn't click hard enough. Maybe. No, never mind. It's already open. So I'm gonna do what? Oh, it's coming. It's thinking about maybe eventually coming. Okay. IDEs are really cool, but they are big programs. It's this, you shouldn't do this. It's telling you that it can do git for you, and this is updates, which we don't care for now. One thing that I like to do is to get my project window so I can see all my files. And again, we have stuff, and then we have the certs, main and test. You're not really going to use test. You're always going to be working in main, Java, and then I tend to use assignment as my package name. So we go to assignment 0. Actually, we can run, let's do run, edit configurations. We are going to add a configuration. We are going to use JUnit. You can modify stuff, but if not, you can just give it a name because it's a good idea. So now you have it. So you can do run test, and this will run all the tests. What's going on? What doesn't it like? I chose this all in package. And that will find all the tests. You can also specify a class one by one. Okay. And this doesn't work. It works. Maybe. Yes, it works. And it tells me that bad things happened. I can come here and look at each individual thing, and it's telling me, right, you can see the name of the test is test add 58, so I added 5 plus 8. It's expected to get 13, but it got 0. And expected actual. In this case, is not terribly useful. If you had a very complicated object, then. So now let's replace this. A plus B. Replace this, A minus B. Save. Run our tests again. And now it should all be green. Maybe. Yay! All tests passed. If you wanted to run it as a normal thing, you would edit configurations, add a Java application, just application. Specify your main class, which is Assignment0, and go from there. So now we could run it and it would just print this, right? So it would print 20 plus 10 equals 30, and then 20 minus 10 equals 10. So now if we run it as unnamed, I'm an idiot, I should give these things names, but so we can do edit configurations, give it, call it main or something like that. And now I can run main, or if I do this, it will ask me which one do I want to run. And that is basically it. Once you are done, again, you can do git status. It should show you that it changed this guy. Don't add this. I should have added it to the .gitignore. I will add it to the .gitignore, but so you can do git add this. Git commit -m something. You can put whatever. You need the quotes if you use more than one word. And then git push origin A0. That pushes it over there, and then you can either open this thing or go to your browser, go to GitLab, log in as yourself. Let me sign out and log in as my fake me. And then in here, I can submit a merge request from A0 to master. Tells you to compare the branches and then assign it to me. Remember to always assign it to me, because that's how I know that I need to go look at it. And that is it.